Today we are talking all things walls, and as you can see, I am in this grand conference hall where we are reimagining all the walls by installing excellent and beautiful wallpapers. And we are going to be doing this in all the walls of all the corners of this conference hall. And guys, let's go take a closer look at the precision craftsmanship as we bring these walls to life. As you can see behind me, our artisans are busy at work, carefully installing the wallpapers on the walls that are bare and of course bringing them back to life. As you can see, some of the walls are complete, like this one right here. Before, this was a very plain, boring and bare wall, but now just look at how beautiful, vibrant and inviting this wallpaper has turned out to be. And of course, it changes the entire look of this place. This is just the ongoing process. You have to remember that. That means you have to stay tuned for the final outcome of all the walls redefined, reimagined, installed with a beautiful wallpaper. And of course, you have to go and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the entire experience that is at Interior Finishes Kenya. And of course, on all our social media handles, on Facebook, on X, on Instagram, at interior_finishes_Kenya.